What are the opportunities in the field of finance? How depth or what is the kind of ocean you can just take a deep dive into the field of finance? Today I'll be discussing about the finance, what are all the various opportunity, the aspects and things you can do with the help of finance, or if you're looking at a finance with the help of Blitz Wealth Hub. Hi there, this is Kuldeep Eregodu. I'm a serial entrepreneur and founder of Blitz Wealth Hub. Now, you might be wondering what is this new channel called Blitz Wealth Hub, or who is this new person called Kuldeep? I'm actually spent almost 20 years in the field of finance, banking, investment banking, capital market, and whatnot. Right? So today I have come out with this particular channel called Blitz Wealth Hub, wherein I'll be focusing on, I'll tell you what exactly or how deep we can get inside the finance. Right? Now, this particular channel is made for Indian customers or Indian viewers, even if someone is watching as a outside, in the sense Indian person who is residing outside the country, like US, Dubai, wherever, UK, wherever. If you are thinking about switching your career, or if you want to become a stalwart in the field of finance, then this is the right opportunity for you to subscribe to this particular channel, hit the bell icon, and I will tell you what is the exciting part about this particular channel, right? So I would be using a mind map to explain you what exactly is the Blitz Wealthy Hub or Blitz Wealth Hub, and what are all the aspects which I'll be covering today as well as in future, right? With that, let us jump into the mind map. And before getting into the mind map, I want you to please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and forward this particular channel if someone is intending to make his or her career in the field of finance, right? Now, welcome to Blitz Wealth Hub. So today I'll be covering about 6 aspects. One is introduction, what is Blitz Wealth Hub, BWH, content to expect from this particular channel, who should watch this particular channel, and about me personally, what all my achievements, where I stand and stuff like that, and finally my future plan for you, right? Now, see, as the name suggests, Blitz Wealth Hub today it is a hub economy wherein people, they join in a group and they expect or they just exchange value among each other and they grow together. So hub economy today and future is the hub economy. Trust me on this, and you can just jot down the points. So Blitz Wealthy Hub is creating wealth at a lightning speed, or amassing the wealth at a very quick basis, is all about this particular Blitz Wealth Hub. If you trust me and if you want me to handhold you in building your wealth, then you are at the right channel and you are watching the right video, right? Now, see, some of the people also intend to ask me that why don't you create channel in Hindi or speak in Hindi. See, my Hindi is not so great, so इसलिए थोड़ा थोड़ा जो भी पॉसिबल है तो उसको मैं हिंदी में आपको समझा दूंगा, ठीक है? Because finance, whenever you are into or whenever you get into the field of finance, your English knowledge, communication skills has to be top notch. तो इसलिए भाई लोग प्लीज जितना हो सके आप लोग समझ लिए कि इंग्लिश में ही मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश करता हूं. फिर भी if some aspects or if some concepts are not understanding, then in that case मैं आपको हिंदी में पूरी तरह से आपको बता दूंगा, ठीक है? Now let me introduce. तो introduction तो हो गया. Now what is my vision and what is my mission? So just look at this particular statement. My vision statement is this: to help students and professionals to build financial skills and achieve career success with practical, easy to understand finance education. Once again, if you are a student, if you are any profession, or if you are intending to switch your career into the finance, then my vision, see, vision is always for the long term. So my vision is that to help students and professionals to build financial skills, no matter, even if you are non-finance background, absolutely fine. You are good at this particular point in juncture. Okay. to build financial skills and achieve your career with success and practically easy to understand finance education. That is my vision. Now, in order to support this vision, what mission I have created for you or for myself is that to provide simple and accessible finance education that helps individuals find their niche. See, finance, as I said, it's a very, very big ocean. It's a vast ocean. Now, आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि किस फील्ड में आपको जाना है. फाइनेंस में देयर आर n number of fields. ठीक है? So, in order to build their niche, now there will be a unique niche or a unique proposition. So which one you want to go? Build skills and grow successful career in finance. Through a supportive community-based approach, I aim to make learning easy and guide learners with clarity and confidence, right? So whenever you watch this video, whenever you watch any of my future video, you will have a lot of clarity and you will speak with authority and clarity. That will be the mission of this particular Blitz Wealth Hub, right? Hope you understood. So that is what I wanted to communicate with you in regards to the introduction. Now, what is Blitz Wealth Hub? See, now Blitz Wealth Hub, I already told you, I'll be covering all finance related activity or finance related videos, stuff, jargons, whatnot, we'll understand. Now, the niche covered are, one is equity research. If you want to make your career in equity research, then this is the right channel for you to watch. Second one is financial analysis. Today, equity research, that is capital market and financial analysis, in utmost demand. People, there are very less people in these two particular fields. So there are a lot of demand. Every day people are hiring, they're looking for a good person who has got a in-depth knowledge about equity research, financial analysis, valuation, again one of the important aspect. Personal finance, multiple source of income. If you want to make multiple source of income, yes, this is the channel for you to subscribe, right? Now, these are the couple of niches. See, not only this, I'll be covering many more because, as I said, just to give you the mota overview. So, mota moti, I'll be just covering all this. Apart from this, if there is something good, that also I'll be covering. Now, the third is the content to expect from this channel. What all will be the content? One is stock market related content. You will get stock market related content. Valuation of companies or business. How to do valuation. What are all the aspects? What are all the concepts? Right? Next, financial modeling. How to build a financial model. No matter, even if you are a non-finance background, even if you do not have experience in Excel, I will help you how to build the financial model or financial modeling. Career in financing. What are all the various streams, various career which you can explore. Career guidance and industry insights. I'll be giving you the career guidance and industry insights about the finance. Interview preparation tips for jobs in finance, right? Now, case studies and real world financial analysis. Very, very important. See, no one teaches you this or no one does this. Prepare content on these aspects. Okay, case studies and real world financial analysis. I'll do it and show it to you. Hold on. Next, guest lecture or interview with finance professionals who are already successful and who can just give you a lot of insights. So I'll be bringing guests into my channel and I'll give you the guest lecture or interview with that particular person. Next, anything and everything in the gambit of finance, right? Anything and everything, jo bhi milta hai, which is most important and which is very, very exciting, I'll just bring that. Usko bhi main laake aapko samne pesh karunga ji, right? Now, these were the contents you can just expect from this particular channel. Now, who should watch this particular channel? Now, everyone and anyone can watch this particular channel, but if you are someone like a student interested in finance career, then you should not miss this particular contents. What all will the content which I'll be uploading or which will come forward, you should watch this to the end and also make proper notes. That is going to help you in building your finance career. Professionals looking to switch to finance. Now, even if you are in a sales job, even if you do not have a finance background, accounting, absolutely fine. No problem at all. But still, if you want to switch to finance, because finance, there are a lot of opportunities, right? So you can join finance. People interested in personal finance, investment and equity market. If you are someone, or if anyone wants to invest in stock markets, invest in bonds, debentures, mutual funds, whatnot, then this is the channel which you should be watching it, right? Even if you are a student, or if you are someone who wants to make your career in capital markets bole to equity, brokerage, stock markets, all this comes under capital market, right? So investing in stock market, it requires lot of research. If you want to become that, if you want to step your career in that particular aspect, yes, this is the right path. Any person who wants to achieve financial freedom, if you are struggling with your life, not able to meet your financial goals and requirements, if you are struggling, then this is the right channel. If you want to achieve financial freedom, then please be attached with me, right? So this was about it. Now, coming back to who is Kuldeep Eregodu, right? Now, see, I started my career in absolute career in 2007. Okay, so till that I was doing something and I studied. So from 2007 onwards, I actually started my career. So I joined IDBI Bank as an assistant manager, right? So there I had worked almost for four and a half years. After that, I quit IDBI and then I joined Abhijit Group. So there I was heading the Bangalore division, wherein I'll be see, IDBI Bank, it is a public sector bank. Now, of course, they are privatizing it. So after that, I wanted to see the corporate side. So I quit IDBI Bank and then joined Abhijit Group. So Abhijit Group was one of the biggest conglomerate in India, similar to what we have like GMR or Sirai or something like that. But due to various issues and things, the company went into trouble and I was forced to quit. So after that, almost for I was there in Abhijit Group for 2 years. After working there as 2 years, so I then quit the company because they were not paying salary and stuff like that. So after that, almost for 2 years, I could not do anything much. Then in 2015, I joined Bharat Group. So there they had a multiple business. They had a real estate business. They had NBFC. So one of the NBFC called as Jamnadas Morarji. So I was heading their NBFC at all India level. So it's again a finance related job and stuff like that. So there I worked for 2 years in that particular Bharat Group. And in 2017, I started my capital advisory services. So it was a partnership firm along with one of my partner from Delhi. So he joined hand with me and I started this particular firm. Even now we have this capital advisory firm. So where it helps people to raise funds, finances, not only individual, even for the corporates. We have raised a lot of funds, even equity proposals and stuff like that, right? So in 2019, based on whatever the outcome we were getting, we also ventured into an infra company and we started giving services to metro rail construction works and stuff like that, right? In terms of labor contracts, the patchwork contracts and stuff like that. So it did not go so well because of not much expertise and stuff like that. But still, I made a decent career in that as well. But in 2020, exactly at the time of COVID, we started an NBFC called First Fin Nidhi Limited. So this was the NBFC which took off very well. In spite of COVID, we could do extremely well in this particular NBFC. Initially, people started depositing, people started joining, and it went almost very good actually. We raised a lot of capital and stuff like that. But again, what happened when the second lockdown or when the second COVID hit, second phase, that time the overnight people started coming to us and taking back the deposits because they were not certain whether they will leave or not leave. So that was the kind of situation during that time. So they started pulling back the return, I mean the investments. So overnight I have to go and borrow from the market at a higher price and clear off those money or stuff like that. So that was the phase. I had to face a difficult phase in those second lockdown time. After that, the company could not do well, but still, even now it is there, but it is going like a what do we say, sort of dormant stage. So then in 2022, I started Blitz Networking Hub. So this particular Blitz Wealth Hub is a part of Blitz Networking Hub. It is a uh, digital sort of things which I wanted to teach people how they can make money by monetizing their knowledge, by helping others and stuff like that. So even now it is going good, and as part of that, I have currently started Blitz Wealth Hub. So finance being my core, I wanted to teach people on how they can become financially independent, how they can build multiple source of income, how they can just expand their wealth, whatever may be their wealth as of now, how you can make that or grow that over a period of time. That is what I wanted to teach you with the help of Blitz Wealth Hub, right? So this was the brief about myself. So whenever I get time or when we connect in some other platform or something like that, I can give you in detail, see exactly what I did, how I did and stuff like that, right? Now, what are all my future plans? One is the topic based videos. Whatever the topic, if you want me to cover, you can just put that in the comment box. I will bring out the video based on your comments, right? I would like you to please once again subscribe to this particular channel, hit the bell icon and forward this particular video to as many people as possible, right? And finally, this is Kuldeep Eregodu signing off until we meet again in the next video. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye-bye.